Sambonani Tobela Dumelang Goeiedag and Molweni and good afternoon. So Jazz, this is my son over here. His name is Jan, Jan, Jan. He's an athlete of note. He's been selected, I'm just joking, but nonetheless he's been selected for the South African Olympic dog team. Lightning speed, great agility, extremely adaptable, and eats a lot, farts a lot, and snores a lot too. It's what champions are made of. You guys can see there. Look at this. I mean, just look at this. Now watch. Oh! I know you guys saw that first. Here on Moises TV. Check him, bring it home. Bringing home the gold, or the white and black. Bringing it back. Now watch, look at how obedient he is, because you must understand one of the keys to success is obedience. Obedience to God's word. So watch this now. Jan, los. You guys see that? He knows when to leave it. Some of you also need to leave certain things alone. You need to know when to leave certain things. Okay? Now watch, we're going to give him one more kick over here. Jan, los. Did you see that? He knows exactly. This is how we need to follow the voice of God, fam. When God says leave that thing that's hurting you, leave it alone. When God says pick it up, then you pick it up again. Obedience is key. Because obedience is ultimately a sign of humility. Alright? A sign of humility. Sometimes you're gonna fail. Sometimes you're not gonna get it right, but it's how you respond. That's what makes you a champion. It's not whether you win, it's not whether you lose. What makes you win in life is the way you respond to failures, the way you respond to setbacks, fam. Because you must understand that every single one of us are gonna go through some problems and some issues in life. Okay? But the way we respond is going to determine whether we roll over or rise up. And therefore do life with God. Do life with God. So that's it for today over here. My precious wife is looking as lovely as always behind the camera over there with the 3 fingers up, like she's chucking up gang signs over there with the camera. Nonetheless, just know today, namhlanje ukuthi your voice matters.